If you want to scan a document on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, what you can do is you can go to the camera app and then you can just simply point at the document that you want to scan using the photo mode. So if you do that, then you should be able to find the scan button here once a text is detected. And then once you press that button, as you can see, we have this scan over here. You can also tap on View Original. If you keep holding it, then you should be able to see the original photo. You can also use these tools, like for example cropping over here, that allows you to cut out all of these different parts that are not relevant. So if you want to make sure that only your pages are scanned and nothing else, in case the phone doesn't automatically do that for you, then you should be able to fix that pretty easily. There we go. And now over here we have our scanned page. Of course, we can tap on Add Scan in order to keep adding more and more pages. So over here we can also switch to the automatic capture. So we can try to use that. As you can see now, it is indeed highlighted, so you don't have to actually fix this. You can go back to your scanned pages, you can scroll through them, and that's pretty much it. Of course, we can tap on Next to save our scanned document, our whole file, and we can save as a PDF document. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.